Top 7 Best Follow Me Drone in 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together the list of options that will meet the need of different types of buyers. For more information, I have put links of products in the description. Make sure to check it out. Like the video, comment, don't forget to subscribe, and let's get started. Number 7. DJI Inspire 1 Pro. The DJI Inspire 1 is a pro-grade filmmaking and photography drone with a fantastic camera, the Zenmuse X5. The Zenmuse X5 is an extremely compact 4/3 camera that captures 4K video at 30fps and 16 quality images in RAW format. It also has an interchangeable MFT lens mount, so you can use your favorite lens for shooting. The camera is stabilized on a pro-grade 3-axis gimbal with 0.2-degree precision accuracy for smooth capture of epic shots. The Inspire 1 offers incredible focus control, allowing users to manually adjust the camera's aperture to achieve the exact shot and depth of field you want. DJI even created an optional remote purely for focus controls, the DJI Focus, that you can opt to purchase to get the most out of your camera settings. At any rate, the camera captures 12.8 stops of dynamic range, which produces incredible detail in shadows and highlights. There are additional control options for the camera, such as manual control for aperture, features we love in the best digital cameras. Number 6. DJI Mavic 2 Zoom. DJI Mavic 2. The DJI Mavic 2 Zoom delivers serious video via its Mavic 2 Pro Hasselblad camera with 2x optical zoom. Videos and images are processed with the camera's patented Hasselblad natural color solution that optimizes for enhanced, true-to-life color detail with a fantastic dynamic range. You'll notice a stunning difference in lighting and gradation when capturing aerial shots of natural landscapes, making it an excellent choice for aerial video. High-quality video captured in 4K HD resolution offers fantastic lighting contrast, great color tones, and vibrant highlights that will get you that cinematic shot. You can manually adjust the camera's f/2.8 f/11 aperture, which provides excellent control over the lighting and smoothness of your footage. The camera's 48 telephoto lens is the ideal size for capturing cinematic, professional-looking video. You can also extend its 2x optical zoom up to 4x with digital lossless technology, even when shooting in Full HD. Plug this device straight into the best 4K TV for outstanding playback footage. Number 5. DJI Mavic Mini Follow Me Drone. If you want a powerful drone with fantastic portability, the DJI Mavic Mini is the super compact camera drone you want. As a sub-250-gram drone, the Mavic Mini is just slightly heavier than a smartphone and folds up to only 5.5 inches for easy transport. Its lightweight design enables it to achieve a great 30-minute flight time even with a smaller battery than standard-sized drones. Plus, it's a good portable drone. The Mavic Mini uses the same high-quality CMOS sensor as other DJI drones, which gives you fabulous and steady tracking features. You can use the DJI app to control everything, so there's no need to bring an extra controller with you if you're traveling light. The camera is mounted to a 3-axis gimbal and captures up to 2.7K HD resolution video. It's a great gift for anyone looking for the best drone for traveling. Number 4. Yuneec Typhoon H Pro. The Yuneec Typhoon H Pro takes your drone flight experience to new heights with a 6-rotor propeller system. This enables precision flight control and added stabilization, including a fail-safe mode that triggers automatically if one of the rotors should fail. The design proves especially useful when experiencing winds during flight. The Typhoon H will automatically return home at that point and when battery life is too low to avoid crashing. The tracking on this drone is fabulous, featuring 8 different smart flight modes that will help you make use of its fabulous 4K Ultra HD camera. The Typhoon H will track you as far out as 150 feet. You have the option to have it orbit you in a circular motion while keeping the camera focused on you. The camera has a full 360-degree range of motion, 98 degrees of which can be captured by the wide-angle camera. A 3-axis anti-vibration gimbal ensures a smooth range of motion. For additional options, you might also want to check out our best selfie drone buying guide for smaller models with similar capabilities. Number 3. DJI Spark Follow Me Drone. The DJI Spark is a fun, easy-to-use drone with the benefit of DJI high-end tech and software. Launch the Spark within seconds from the palm of your hand with its quick launch feature that kicks on by simply recognizing your face. This feature is fantastic for a quick selfie along with its intuitive gesture controls that allow you to frame the shot and take photos with your hand gestures. You can also turn on palm control mode, which allows you to operate simple basic movements with your hands. Capturing 1080p HD video and 12MP photos is just as easy with precision tracking through Active Track, an intuitive one-touch capture and tap fly mode. Content can be delivered to your smartphone. The DJI Go 4 app allows you to quickly compose and edit cinematic videos and photos, then share them directly to your favorite social media platforms. For additional social media tools, you might also want to invest in the best vlogging camera to keep the content flowing. Number 2. DJI Mavic Air 2. The DJI Mavic Air 2 is an advanced drone that's packed with intelligent features like Ocasync 2.0, which allows video transmission from the drone to your device at an impressive range of up to 6.2 miles away. When you're in tracking mode, you can use the Spotlight 2.0 Smart Flight feature to have the camera precisely lock onto a subject no matter how the drone is flying within space. The Mavic Air 2 has omnidirectional obstacle sensing, meaning it's hypersensitive to its environment in 3 different directions: forward, backward, and downward. That makes for smooth flying and precise obstacle recognition and avoidance, which is especially important when operating around trees to avoid crashes. The Mavic Air 2 also has an intelligent flight battery that maximizes flight time to 34 minutes. The battery power provides accurate real-time battery life updates and can sense any instance of overheating. The drone's camera delivers 4K video at 6 fps and 48MP photos. It truly is one of the best video cameras. If you're tracking a vehicle, like a car or a bike during extreme sports or outdoor sports, the Mavic Air 2 will keep up at speed of up to 42.3 mph while in its intelligent sport mode. Number 1. DJI Mavic Pro. The DJI Mavic Pro excels in all of its features, beginning with excellent 27-minute average flight times. That allows users to cover up to 8 miles off one charge. The drone can transmit a live video stream with a transmission range of up to 4.3 miles away from you. It's also incredibly easy to fly with great automatic smart flight mode features like precision hover, obstacle avoidance sensors, and automatic leveling. All of this is achieved with 2 high-quality sensors that make it one of the safest drones to fly. The Mavic Pro's camera system is fantastic as well, featuring 4K video capture at 30 fps and a 3-axis gimbal stabilizer for smooth footage. This drone is extremely easy to position for tracking and at different altitudes. Once set, it maintains a level height to the ground, even on uneven terrain. You can toggle on the tripod mode that optimizes the drone's movements to capture sharp photography. It also has a very handy gesture mode that allows you to simply gesture at the drone when it's tracking you to take pictures. The DJI company's patented Active Track technology allows you to use a hybrid of precise GPS tracking with visual recognition for more dynamic, reliable tracking performance. Its functionality rivals the best professional drone on the market. So guys, that's all for the top 7 best follow me drone in 2022. The links of all products are given in the description, which are updated for the best prices. Subscribe our channel for more videos. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care. Bye.